Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I want to show you these cute, really well-made notions. I love these things. Most of them are made by Cohana in Japan. These are not, but they go with the whole system here. So let me show you what, I'm going to start with the pin cushions. So let me move these out of the way just a little bit. So there's the, let me pull these in, these little, excuse me, okay, these little finger pin cushions. Now, I don't usually wear a finger pin cushion, but these are cute, and they're cute enough and they're well made enough that I might actually start wearing one. The base of the pin cushion is not plastic. That is turned really smooth, beautifully done wood. I would suspect it's birch, but it may be something else. The elastic band is narrow enough that it's not going to make your fingers sweat or get in your way. The bands come in sizes that should fit most fingers. Now, I have really small fingers, so if I get one that's a little on the big side, I'm going to have to figure out the right finger for it. But I don't think that's a problem because I might wear it most often right there. Anyway, so these are wool balls stuck on the little beautiful wooden base. Perfect. Let me move these aside. Oh, I should say, back to these. They come in sets of cool colors or warm colors, and you can choose the colors you like online. Next, the next pin cushion. This is made by Cohana. They come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors, and in this cute little package. These measure, I think I measured them, and they're like 1 3/8 all the way around, close to 1 1/2. Now, when you open it up and take it out of the package, this elastic band is still attached, and I am going to keep it on there for now, and I'll show you why in a minute. The bottom of the wood, and this is again nice, smooth, I think this is cypress, Japanese cypress, smooth on the bottom. It's got just enough weight to stay put. It's beautiful, and it's got this little leather band. Now, what I like about the little leather band is that when I travel, I can hook the little leather band on the leather strap here. This doesn't unsnap, but I could feed this through and attach the pin cushion to my little pouch, and I'm less likely to lose it. I think on the plane, that's going to be really handy. So I'm keeping the little disposable, really elastic band for that reason. All right, so really cute, really functional. Really, what more does a quilter want besides cute and functional? All right, so let me move those pin cushions out of the way, and they too come in 5 different colors. This pouch, this little, it's a canvas pouch. It's really well made. It's a little roundish, but if you coaxed it, you could make it be square because each side is the same size here, but a little bit taller. So it does square up. I don't mind that it flattens because when I travel, I'm going to like it to flatten smaller. I've been using this one as I've been working on the hand sewing adventure. And so the notions I have in here, I have my little hand sewing adventure thing, I've got my needle caddy. There's a free pattern for that on the Piece of Cake website, by the way. I've got some scissors, I've got my glue stick, I've got the thread I was using. There's the other thread I was using that's on my sandboard. I've got a needle threader, I've got some paper pieces. You get the idea. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. These come in the 5 colors. Let me move that out of the way. 5 different really pretty colors. And this elastic band, when it comes off, you can throw it away, but just like the other one, I kind of held on to mine. I don't know that I'll use it, but I figure why not hold on to it for now until I see if there's a useful purpose for it. So there's that. Now, there's also this waxed tote. It's a waxed canvas tote that opens up, and it's perfectly flat. It's a beautiful size. Let me back this up. You know, it's not too big, it's not too small. I had a ruler here, but it's not even quite 12 inches, I don't think, by a little more than 3 inches, because these totes fit inside here. And you can fit neatly 3 of these smaller totes inside the bigger tote. I think this is really great because you can sort your stuff by what you're using. When you get where you're going, you can take out what you want, and then you've still got space here. The other thing is that the outside of the pouch is doubled. So while you're working, if you want to shove something in the outside pouch, any of them, because they go all the way around. If you want to put your scissors in to stand them up, or say the rotary cutter, or, well, yeah, I think you could stick a rotary cutter in there maybe. You can stick all kinds of stuff in here while you're working, pack it up neatly, and carry it away. The light tote is this one. This one's the natural color tote. There's also a gray one that I don't have in stock right now, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to get it. So there's this tote. I really like this tote. And again, if you take everything out and you want it to be flat to go somewhere unloaded, it's a really nice size. All right, so there's that. Now, lastly, there are these magnetic pin cushion. Well, they're not really a pin cushion. They're holders. So it comes in this cute little box, and the first time I tried to open it, I undid the top and I was trying to get it open neatly, and then I realized, you know, the easiest way to get into this is to open it from the bottom. Always look for the easy way. So you open that and bring it out, and there's a little bit of paper that tells you how you can use it. This undoes, and there is a pin cushion. Inside here, I don't even know how they do it. Oh, I bet the magnet is underneath that, because they wouldn't fire this thing with the magnet inside. So the magnet is probably inside there, and if you can see, that's a little bit fuzzy, which is nice, because when I was using this with my needle and thread, okay, let's try it here. I'll just do it. I'll just pull out a needle. This is a ginormous needle. It is fuzzy enough that it protects the point of the needle, and if you're using a smaller needle, it almost, you know, it'll sort of stand up, and it's standing up both because of the magnet and because of the fuzzy stuff in there. All right, what else can you stick inside there besides needles and pins? The picture shows it with, let's see if this picture shows it. Yeah, can you see it shows it with paper clips, both on the inside and the outside, smaller pins, needles. It's just flat cute, and it's a little heavy without being super heavy. So again, when you are taking your project somewhere to work, this is nice. You can put it right in there, it fits, and then when you're sitting and sewing, say for me on the plane or somewhere, that's nice. If I wonder if I wanted to stick my, well, yeah? Well, you know, this is kind of nice. I hadn't tried it till just now. No, it's not going to hold those so tightly, but a smaller pair of scissors, it might hold closer. I've got these. These are the ones I'm going to use on an international flight. Oh, if you put the handles there, kind of holds the handles in place. Although, really, I'm more likely to use that on the flight. I don't know. I'm going to use this next to my sewing table. I found last night that I liked this a lot. And these come in the same 5 colors. So there's gray, and there's kind of a green, and there's a red, and a gold, and a darker blue. And this green leans toward aqua. So if you wanted to, if you were going to make a set of stuff, so I'm making a set for myself of the gray items. Ooh, I'd have to make a choice for color with the little doodad. I haven't done that yet. So there's a set with the gray. You could also do a set with the darker blues. It depends on if you want to color coordinate your things, or if you would rather mix it up and have a gold and maybe the lighter blue. Also cute. So that's what these Cohana items do. That's what they are like, and I hope you have enjoyed seeing how useful they are. May you have many happy stitches. Thanks for watching.